Genetics is the study of traits that are passing from parents to offspring. These traits are controlled by genes, which are segments of DNA that carry the instructions for making proteins. Genes are located on chromosomes, which are thread like structures in the cell that carry the genetic material. Variations in DNA can lead to changes in the proteins they encode, resulting in genetic variations. These variations can be due to number 1, DNA mutations, changes in the DNA sequence. Number 2, DNA deletions, missing DNA segments. Number 3, DNA insertions, extra DNA segments. Number 4, DNA rearrangements, changes in the order of DNA segments. Adaptation. Adaptation is a process by which populations evolve to better survive in their environments. Genetic variations can provide individuals with traits that are advantageous in their environment, leading to increased survival and reproductive success. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in the population. Chromosomes and DNA. Chromosomes are structures in the cell that carry the genetic material. DNA is the molecule that contains the genetic code. Chromosomes are made up of DNA tightly packaged with proteins. DNA is a polymer composed of four different types of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These nucleotides are linked together by phosphodiester bonds. Cell division. Cell division is the process by which a cell duplicates its genetic material and divides into two daughter cells. There are two main types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. Mitosis is the process of cell division that results in two genetically identical daughter cells. It is used for tissue repair and growth. Prophase is the first stage of mitosis. During prophase, the chromosomes become visible and the nuclear membrane begins to break down. Metaphase is the second stage of mitosis. During metaphase, the chromosomes are aligned along the equator of the cell. Anaphase is the third stage of mitosis. During anaphase, the sister chromatids of each chromosome are separated and pulled to opposite poles of the cell. Telophase is the fourth and final stage of mitosis. During telophase, two new nuclear membranes form around the separated chromosomes. Cytokinesis is a process of physically separating the cytoplasm of a cell into two daughter cells. It usually occurs simultaneously with mitosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number from diploid two sets of chromosomes to haploid one set of chromosomes. Meiosis involves two divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.